Welcome back. Let us solve the remaining problems. The ratio of incomes of A and B is 3:4. The ratio of their expenditures is 4:5. Find the ratio of their savings if the savings of A is 1/4 of his income. Okay. Let X represent income and Y represent expense. We know that savings is equal to income minus expense. So let us tabulate the ratio for A and B. This is for A and this is for B. Income. This is in the ratio 3:4. So let income be 3x and 4x for A and B. Similarly, expense. This is the ratio 4:5. This is 4y, 5y. So their savings are in the ratio 3x minus 4y and 4x minus 5y for A and B. They are asking to find the ratio of their savings. So the ratio is 3x minus 4y divided by 4x minus 5y. Okay. They are given a condition that the savings of A is 1/4 of his income. Okay, let us solve it separately. The savings of A, that is 3x minus 4y, this value. This is equal to 1/4 of his income, that is 1/4 of 3x. Okay, now we shall solve this and try to get x by y value so that we can solve this value. Okay, we shall divide by y throughout. So this will be 3x by y minus 4 is equal to 3 by 4 x by y. We shall take x by y to the left side. So x by y into 3 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4. X by y into 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 by 4. This is equal to 4. So x by y is equal to 16 by 9. So in this ratio we shall take y outside. That is, we can divide throughout by y. So this will be 3 into x by y minus 4 divided by 4 into x by y minus 5. So we shall substitute the value of x by y here. 3 into 16 by 9 minus 4 divided by 4 into 16 by 9 minus 5. So this will be 3. Here we cannot divide. We shall further solve. This will be 16 minus 12 divided by 3 into 1 by 4 into 16 is 64 minus 5 9s are 45 divided by 9. So this will be 3. This will go to the numerator. So further this will be 4 divided by 64 minus 45 is 19 and 3 will go to the numerator. So this is equal to 12 by 19. So the ratio of their savings is 12 by 19. So the answer is D, 12 is to 19. D. Next question. Weekly incomes of two persons are in the ratio 7:3 and their weekly expenses are in the ratio 5:2. Each one of them saves 300 per week. Find their weekly incomes. Okay, this is similar to the previous problem, but the last condition is different. We shall try to solve. Let x represents the income and y represent expense. So the incomes are in the ratio 7x, 3x and the expenses are in the ratio 5y, 2y. This is income, this is expense. So let us find out the savings. This is 7x minus 5y, 3x minus 2y. This is the saving. They are saying each one of them saves 300 per week. That means 7x minus 5y is equal to 300 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 300. So based on these two equations we shall find out x and y. Actually they are asking their weekly incomes, that is x value. So let us not calculate y value, we shall directly calculate x value. So 1 we can multiply by 2 and second equation we can multiply by 5. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and then we can subtract them together. Okay, 1 into 2, that is 14x minus 10y is equal to 600, and second equation into 5. 15x minus 10y is equal to 5 3s are 15. Okay, so you can subtract the second equation from the first one, that is x will be equal to 1500 minus 600. So this is again 900. But they are asking their weekly incomes. Weekly incomes are 7x comma 3x. So 7 into 900 comma 3 into 900. 7 into 900 is 6300 and 3 into 900 is 2700. So the answer is B, 6300 and 2700. B. Next question. What must be added to each term of the ratio 7:11 so that to make it equal to 3:4? So the original ratio is 7/11. So you have to add certain term to both numerator and denominator, and then it will be equal to 3:4. So let that value be x. So 7 plus x divided by 11 plus x is equal to 3:4. So we shall cross multiply. 28 plus 4x is equal to 33 plus 3x. So x will be equal to 33 minus 28, which is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. So if you add 5 to this ratio 7/11, then you will get the ratio 3/4. That is 7 plus 5 by 11 plus 5 is equal to 12/16. So when we divide by 4, this will be equal to 3/4. So the value is 5. So the answer is D, 5. Next question. The ages of Chinmay and Maulik are in the ratio 5:2 respectively. After 7 years, the ratio of their ages will be 4:3. What is the age of Chinmay? Let the present age of Chinmay is equal to 5x and the present age of Maulik is equal to 2x. After 7 years, the ratio of the ages will be 4:3. It means after 7. So 5x plus 7 divided by 2x plus 7 is equal to 4:3. So they are asking the age of Chinmay, that is 5x. So we shall find out x from this and then multiply 5. We shall cross multiply this. This is 15x plus 21 is equal to 8x plus 28. So 7x will be equal to 7. X is equal to 1. Therefore, age of Chinmay is equal to 5x, that is equal to 5 years. So the answer is B, 5 years. Next question. The ratio of the number of students studying in schools A, B and C is 6:8:7 respectively. If the number of students studying in each of the schools is increased by 20%, 15% and 20% respectively, what will be the new ratio of the numbers of students in schools A, B and C? Okay. Let the present number of students be given by number of students in A, B, C is given by 6x, 8x, 7x. Okay. Now this will be the new value. For A, it is increased by 20%. It means 6x into 1.2. For B, it is 8x into 1.15. For C, it is 7x into 1.2. So we shall multiply this. 6 into 1.2 is 7.2x. 8 into 1.15. So 8 into 1.15. This will be 5 8s are 44. 1 8 is 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1. 8 1 is 8, 9. So this is 9.2. And the last one is 7 2s are 14. 7 1 is 7, 8. 8.4x. So the new ratio is 7.2 is to 9.2 is to 8.4. So here we have to keep the ratios without decimals. So we shall multiply by 10 throughout. This is 72 is to 92 is to 84. Okay. We can divide this by 4. So dividing this by 4 will be 1 4 is 4, 3 2 8. Okay. Is to, when we divide this by 4, this will be 2 4s are 8, 1 2 3 is to 21. So the ratio will be 18 is to 23 is to 21. Answer is C. Okay, we shall continue in the next lecture. Thank you.